Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create anything with Infinite Craft. This is a crafting game where you can make anything. Normally it's pretty much endless, I think. And start with water, fire, wind and earth, and branch out to the rest. So just click by Neil.fun. So there are some interesting game here. One of the game is Infinite Craft. So I give you an example. Just drag one of the element here, for example water, then you can mix with fire, wind and earth. So if you combine fire with wind, it will be smoke, and if you combine or fuse with water, it become fog. Now with earth, it become myth. So here we go. So the myth element will be in here. So I already made a thunder, volcano, Olympus, golem, smoke, fog and mist. So even you can go with this golem with mist and become a stone here. Let's start with thunder and stone. It will become lightning, and clay, go back to the golem, and the statue with the phoenix, it becomes sphinx. So here, if you want to try out some recipes, here, this is the infinitecraft.net. This is the blog that provide us all Infinite Craft recipes. So for example, you want to create a pyramid, click this pyramid icon. Sorry for the ads. And here, how to craft pyramid in Infinite Craft. So you can go with water and wind. So here, let's delete by drag water and wind, it become wave, earth and earth, next earth and earth, double earth, it becomes mountain, earth and wave, earth and wave. Where is the wave here? Do I have this one? It becomes sand. So there are four elements here: wave, mountain and sand, and mountain plus sand is become pyramid. Here we go. So this is the pyramid. So feel free to try. Oh, it becomes tsunami here. Feel free to try to craft anything in here in Infinite Craft by Neil.fun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.